What if I tell you that there's a good side of inflation you can benefit from?
So the big question is this: how busy professionals and homeowners like us make six-figure profits from the property we own safely by doing it with research, data, and numbers. How do we buy in a way without complications and half-guessing, regardless of the market conditions, and still remain profitable? That is the question. Here, I will share with you exactly what we do and how we do it. My name is Edmund, and welcome to Singapore Real Estate Insider.
I'm Edmund, your Singapore Real Estate Insider. I'm so glad to see you guys back here, and in this video, I want to show you the positive side of inflation that you might want to grab in order to gain profit. Now the question is there really a good side of inflation? Isn't it supposed to decrease the value of money? Every person on this planet is bound to suffer from price inflation as the days goes by. Add to that the impact of the pandemic, Russia's war of Ukraine, and we won't be surprised to see a significant increase in the prices of goods. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, now's the best time to do so, and follow us on our playlist where we cover a wide range of property knowledge to make six-figure profits safely. First, let me walk you through inflation. Suppose you need a refresher on your economics class. In that case, inflation is defined by Wikipedia as a general progressive increase in prices of goods and services in an economy. When the general price level rises, each unit of currency buys fewer goods and services. Consequently, inflation occurs to a reduction in the purchasing power of money. I'm sure everyone has heard of this illustration. Think of the value of a plate of chicken rice 20 years back compared to today. How much is the difference? Will your $5 buy as much chicken rice today compared to 20 years ago? $5 is $5, except what you can buy with it 2 decades ago is far different from what you can get from it now. A conventional way to measure inflation is through the Consumer Price Index, CPI for short, which looks at the average prices of a basket of goods that people consume. This includes food, clothing, transportation, healthcare, and other essentials. This is done by calculating the average change in prices in a period and determining the average cost of living as an add-on. Now, if we look at this from an investment angle, it tells us that it's not a good idea to hang on to cash alone. Simply put, money loses its value. Of course, having a liquid emergency fund and enough bills in our pocket will sustain your daily lives. But if you want to grow your money, the best way to do is by investing. You want to put your money in assets that could potentially bring in more income for you as the prices inflate. In a study by Yahoo Singapore Finance, a 1,345 square foot 5-room HDB in 1990 was sold at an average price of $230,000. Today, the same will be close to $500,000. But this is not all the doing of CPI inflation. Inflation is not the same for all goods and services. In fact, real estate prices rose the most compared to other goods in Singapore. Another type of inflation drove the rise in real estate prices. It's called asset inflation. It is generally pushed by investors who want to put their money on valuable assets. So it increases the demand for real estate investment as a domino effect. Here's the bad news. Accordingly to Fortune.com, the US officials announced that inflation is no longer transitory. This means it will continue to increase above a moderate rate. Since the pandemic, real estate prices drastically rose around the world, especially in countries where land is scarce, such as our homeland and Hong Kong. So how do we get into the good side of inflation? The elephant in the room is invest in real estate right now, because you can most likely benefit from asset inflation. Real estate properties are your best bet in securing your money and potential income. It's the one asset that's bound to bring in returns and never lose value. The proof has always been in the data, and it's all telling us the same thing. put your money on real estate. If you're ready to take this leap and secure a good financial future for yourself, send us a message and we'll partner with you in achieving your financial goals. While you're here, show some love to our channel by liking this video and subscribing. We launch an informative video every other week, so it's great to be notified when they're up, and I'll see you again real soon.